welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an unboxing, and this time I got something from Hermes. So I purchased this one at the store, and I have a couple more here, and I got this one online. I placed an order on the website. This one I also have this one as well. So let me start with the one from the shopping bag. This one. So I was just at the store. I was just like looking around, see what they got at Hermes, and I came across on this cutie. So that's the box. It looks so cute with a ribbon. So let's open this. I think the ribbon actually, it's a built-in ribbon on the gift in the box. I think it was a gift box. I always thought this is a gift box, but anyways, let me show it to you guys. And this one is this one is a Twilly, and I love horses, especially the galloping horse. I always believe that the horse, especially the galloping horses, actually bring so much luck in me, in my life, in my career, and everything. So, well, that was just my belief. It's not necessary, but I think, look at how lovely the horse is, guys. So beautiful. The orange, the green. I just love the different colors in this. That is how it looks like. It's so beautiful with all the horses lined up. So at the back, let me just show you a little bit. That's how it looks like. And also this one, well, you could wear this one. You could wrap it around your neck, on your arms, or just tie it on your hair, however you wanted. But the reason why I got this one is because I wanted to put this one in my purse. So I like to tie this one, like, you know, as a twilly on my purse. So I think, I have here my favorite Willis from Coach. And I think it would look good on this. The Twilly look good on this, on the handle. I'm just probably, I'll just tie it on the handle. Pretty much more of like that. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of how I'm gonna do it. But yeah, just like that. You know, I could have done it like, you know, I'll do it nicer next time, but I'm just gonna give you an idea of how I'm gonna use this one. I think it looks great with contrast against this orange that I've got, the vermilion color. So that is the reason why I got this one. I'm gonna use it in my purses, especially with this one. I think it looks great. And also this one is, I think this one is 100% silk. So yeah, it's very soft and shiny and smooth. I love it. Yeah, they have a lot online though. They have a lot to choose from. But when I walked into this store, it's like, hey, I like this horse. This is the only one they have left. So I pick it up and take it home. So this is the first one. So moving on, this box right here, I ordered this one online, and I'm not sure what this is, but I just removed it from the packaging because the packaging, this one came out so dirty. So, and it came in the box, so that's nice. So look at that. Look at the packaging. It's so beautiful. Wow, nice. And here comes the package itself. Also, yeah, this comes with, what this, yeah, this is the receipt. Oh, it looks nice. They made such an effort of make, I mean, it's actually, this one made up of a really such a nice material, guys. This is not a cheap cardboard. It's so lovely. Also, this is my receipt. So anybody of you out there didn't know how the Hermes receipt looks like, it's beautiful. Wow. So this is the receipt. Okay, so it looks lovely. And also this, oh, this is the card. There's a card included in this one. It's an empty card. Oh, it's nice, very lovely. Just love the, that's the logo right there from Hermes. Very nice. This is the package. It's in such a really nice ribbon. I think the ribbon is called bulldog ribbon. Not even sure. And let's open this, guys. Really nice. It's heavy. I love the orange. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, this is a refill. Oh yeah, this is the refill that I got from my agenda. So I guess, guys, you all probably have an idea on this next package, because this is a notebook refill. I'm not sure if that's picking up right there on the camera. So this is a notebook refill. Really nice. Wow. So this is how it looks like. Well, made of a really nice paper though. Okay. Oh, something came out. Okay, I see. So this is a refill, and let me just see. It's in the plain notebook refill Ulysses PM. Yeah, this is $50. Yeah, this is $50. Well, the reason why I got this one is because I just really wanted to see the quality. But yeah, it's expensive just for a notebook. $50. Well, that's just how it is. Okay, it's an Hermes. So I'm so excited for this one. Yeah, I don't know how many pages are this one though. I'm not sure, but doesn't seem to look like there's a lot for $50. But okay, anyway, let's move on to the next one. Okay, moving on, the big box right here. Oh, okay. Uh-oh, something is, oh. Okay, so this was such a weird way of putting it together. So there was a paper on top of the box. Okay, oh, let me just put this one right there. Okay. Okay, so here's what I got. Oh, the ribbon, they put the ribbon on the side. That's interesting. I don't know why. I can't understand why they put the ribbon on the side. Okay, this is not a gift. This is for myself. So yeah, I was trying to figure it out. I was just a little bit confused why they put the ribbon on the side instead of wrapping it around the box. So okay, I have a paper here. It says, very nice, it says, "We missed you. Thank you for your patience." Okay, thank you very much. Okay, here's another thing. This is a card again, and the lovely receipt, very thick. Okay, here's the box. So apparently you probably guys have an idea what this is. So this is a, okay, they wrap it nicely. Okay, This is an agenda. And I was so excited for this one because I have been looking for Hermes agenda in this particular color. Their iconic color, which the Hermes is known for. And I don't know, maybe this one is hard to come by, guys. This is such a, I mean, I've been looking for this for probably for so many years. I must have said so many years, but it always comes with a black, a white color, a different colors, but this one is so hard to come by. And I saw this one last week and I was so excited. It's because, hey, I needed this one. I needed this one in particular color. So I was able to purchase it. And look at that. Oh my gosh, the color is so lovely. Hey. So this one is made up of a Togo calfskin leather with a palladium plated glue to cell snap closure. And okay, really nice. That's the detailed right at the bottom, at the back. So lovely. Love the colors so much. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. And also, yeah, this one is, it says here, Hermes made in France. Hermes Paris made in France. And there's a code right there saying that it's authentic. And also, yeah, very nice. The palladium. It's lovely. Just love it. The snap closure right there. Wow. The toga leather is such a lovely, has a lovely feel to it, guys. It is so lovely. So that's how it looks like. And look at that. Woo, so lovely. Do you think this would fit in here? Let me see. Let me check. I just hope it would. Oh, what? No. No, it wouldn't. It wouldn't fit. No, not at all. So this is just the size. Just like that. Oh my gosh. I thought it fits. But anyways, so let me get the notebook. The refill notebook. And let me just put this one in just to see how this one looks like. Okay, let me just try to snap this thing in here. It's easy. So this is how it looks like. Oh, that's the paper right there. So this is how it looks like. Wow, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. So beautiful. And I was so happy that, you know, a lot of people think that, oh, it's an Hermes or this and that. They must have been so expensive or whatever. No, it's not that expensive, guys. Knowing that this particular leather is a Togo leather from Hermes. And yeah, it's actually made up of a substantial amount of leather in here. And I think I paid, let me just see how much I paid for this. I'm not even sure. I know it's around $200 something. And the material is beautiful. And I'm not sure how much. Cellulose notebook cover, it's $250. Yeah, not bad, plus tax and everything. So almost $300 for this one. It's beautiful. It's so lovely. What else can I say? Wow. Finally, I was able to get this color. So these are my purchase from Hermes, and it's lovely. It's beautiful. I'm very happy and satisfied. And yeah, Yeah, this is so cute. The orange, the horse, and everything. It's so lovely. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!